After close to 5 months of deliberation, the 5-judge panel at the Court of Appeal upheld the sentences given by the High Court. This means that Sharon Tan, who has completed her 7-month term, does not need to serve a second stint of incarceration. The rest of the 5 will continue serving their original sentences. Kong Hee, Tan Yee-ping, Serena Wee and John Lam are currently serving their jail terms of between 1.5 and 3 years. Chew Wing-han, who faces a jail term of 3 years and 4 months, is currently out on bail and will begin his jail term on 22nd February in view of the upcoming Chinese New Year holidays. Judge of Appeal Andrew Pang concluded that the agent as written in Section 409 of the Penal Code refers to professional agents and is read with reference to a specific trade. It refers to professional agents entrusted with property in the capacity of their business, such as bankers and lawyers. The Judge of Appeal said that the court is ill-suited for the kind of wide-ranging review of the law as the prosecution had interpreted, and a review is long overdue. But the court will have to leave the law reform to Parliament. The trial, which saw 140 days in the state courts and 5 days in the appeal court, revolved around the misuse of $23 million of the church's building funds to finance the crossover project via bond investments into Extron and Ferna, and a subsequent misappropriation of another $26 million in a related series of round-tripping transactions. In August last year, the Court of Appeal heard the criminal reference filed by the prosecution regarding the High Court's decision to reduce the Penal Code 409 charge against the Sikhs to a 406 charge, thereby shortening the jail terms. The 5-judge panel includes Judges of Appeal Andrew Pang and Judith Prakash, as well as Justices Belinda Ang, Quentin Loh and Chua Li-meng. In a split 2-1 decision in April 2017, the High Court cleared the Sikhs of CBT as agents and found them guilty of plain CBT under Section 406. The majority ruled that Section 409 applies only to professional agents, and directors such as the Sikhs cannot be considered agents under the law. As a result, the sentences were reduced to between 7 months and 3.5 years jail. The prosecution then referred the case to the Court of Appeal, whose decision on the point of law will have implications for future cases. The prosecution argued that the Sikhs should have been convicted of the more aggravated charge of CBT as agents, which provides for heavier punishment rather than CBT compliciter. It has been a 7-year journey for City Harvest Church and her congregation, and the verdict today closes a chapter for them. The church will operate as usual from its weekend services to the running of its 36 ministries, which include missions work, community services, and its Bible school, the School of Theology. For more information, log on to citynews.sg. I'm Sandy Yeoh for City News, Singapore.